Welcome to Sinoboom Intelligent Manufacturing Park in Changsha. Look around, this is more than a factory. It's 1.2 million square meters of smart manufacturing with a 900 million investment. Imagine this, 80,000 MEWPs rolling out every single year. Now let's head to the workshop. It's 360 meters long, 72 meters wide, split into welding and assembling. And the closed part? It's fully intelligent, with AGVs, EMS conveyors, and plate champs all working together. One complete scissor lift comes off the line every 4 minutes 30 seconds. That's 42,000 units a year, with potential to reach 60,000. 4.5 minutes from nothing to this. And that's just the start. In the next episode, we'll follow one scissor lift on its journey from this assembling line through all the intense tests and inspections it must undergo before it finally reaches your hands. Curious to see how it stands the test? Don't miss it!